All right, so we've got a pretty good buckle here. The customer actually backed into the car, or backed into his wall with the door open a little bit and gave it a little bit of a shove this way, which puts some tension here and here. We're gonna try this new horizontal pull tab from KECO here with some tension while we attack these two lows with through pull. So it is an aluminum door, it's a little tricky. So what I'm going to do is let this set up, get a strap pulling this way on the door, while I also come in and pull these two additional lows. So we'll let that set up and get set up. So I got the ratchet strap set up with just a little bit of tension. I'm not trying to rip the door off or anything, just pull some tension this way. I'm going to come in and attack these two spots. So we've already got it prepped with alcohol. We're just going to warm the panel back up. Get in our humidity. So we've got the horizontal pull going this way, and we've got a 21 millimeter dead center super tab here, just below the body line, an 18 millimeter dead center super tab in that low right there. We're gonna move these up a hair, increase a little tension, move these up, increase a little tension. It's a pretty good crowning up here. I'm gonna go ahead and tap that down some. Keep back in here just to keep the screw nice and flexible. Still not tons and tons of pressure, just maybe, a couple 100 pounds. Just enough to, we'll stretch this door out some. So I'm attacking a little bit of a low that's left up here still. Got a soft crease running down this way. I'm going to come in with the robo and pull, walk right down the low spot here. I've got a little round low that was the very bottom or lowest low. Here we're going to go in with a precision plate, an ice tab. I just need to sort of rip it up real quick. And it's aluminum, so I'm going to be really aggressive. What I want to try to do here is restore the body line and separate this into two lows. All right, so you got to see a lot of glue pulling there. The dead center super tabs, the horizontal pull, all on this aluminum door. I'm getting ready to switch to my push tools. I wanted to show you this definitely, and maybe has been for a while, is ready for what would be a glaze coat. We've got everything back with glue. Just a light little indentation there. But really, for the number of pulls that we did on an aluminum door with all those buckles, this is a super huge win for GPR. If we can help you out with a dent or a ding, give us a call or visit us at dentrepairnow.com.